My name is Dan Butler, and I am a professor of political science at Washington University in St. Louis. I also work to help coordinate the Labs of Democracy. The name of this project, the Laboratories of Democracy, is inspired by Justice Brandeis's comments in a 1932 Supreme Court case. Justice Brandeis noted that a state can act as a laboratory by experimenting with a new policy or procedure to learn whether it is effective. If it is effective, then the results of that experiment can be shared so that the policy can be adopted elsewhere. And if it is unsuccessful or even harmful, others can avoid using that program or policy. Our goal at the Labs of Democracy is to literally fulfill this vision by working with public officials and nonprofits to help design and carry out pilot studies that used randomized control experiments to test the efficacy of various programs, policies, and practices. You can learn more about the Labs of Democracy by visiting our website, labsofdemocracy.org. There, you can meet our team. Our research affiliates are professors from the top universities around the nation. You'll find information about our researchers if you click on the link to meet our team. One of the advantages of being a national network is that we have individuals working at universities near you and researchers who specialize in a number of different areas. Second, you can visit the website to learn more about what we offer, a list of frequently asked questions, and some of the results from previous partnerships. Finally, clicking on the link, Partner with Us, takes you to a page where you can fill out information about yourself and any specific projects you would like to work on. The purpose of these videos is to talk about experiments and to walk you through the steps of sketching out a project. We'll then work with you to finalize the design and implement that experiment. This raises the question, what do I mean when I say an experiment? We specialize in conducting experiments with treatment and control groups that are randomly assigned. These experiments are also referred to as randomized controlled trials, or more simply, RCTs. RCTs are considered the gold standard for evidence in most fields. One of the key aspects of randomized controlled trials is that there is both a treatment and control group which are randomly assigned. Most of us are familiar with RCTs because of their use in studying new medicines. So, if a company creates a new drug to lower cholesterol, they will run a medical drug trial, or RCT. In the drug trial, the company would recruit a group of patients who are trying to lower their cholesterol. The patients in the study would then be randomly assigned to one of two treatments. One group would receive the new drug, while the other group would either receive a placebo pill or possibly the drug that is currently the standard medication used to help lower cholesterol. After a given period of time, patients in both groups would have their cholesterol measured to see whether those who were assigned the new pill had lower cholesterol. Now, let's say a city wanted to use a similar approach to identify an effective way to reduce citizens' water usage in light of drought conditions. Several studies have shown that making social comparisons can help change behavior. And so the city tries a pilot program where the water bill includes information about how much water that household uses relative to other households in the neighborhood. The city could run an experiment as a pilot study by randomly assigning a group of households to receive information such as that shown on the screen here with their water bill, and a group not to receive this information. They could then measure how much water each group used over the following months. If the pilot program proved to be effective at reducing water usage, it could be rolled out to the entire city. Cities, states, and nonprofits can benefit from running experiments like this because it allows them to try an idea on a smaller scale. If the pilot program is successful, they can increase the size of the program so that it benefits everyone. And if it's not effective, then they can stop the program, saving themselves money, time, and effort. Cities can also run these experiments to help highlight the innovative programs that they are implementing. The results from studies like this provide compelling evidence that allow nonprofits and governments to be leaders in their area. As researchers at the Labs of Democracy, we work with you to help develop and implement these experiments. We also ensure that they are written up and receive attention. We are consultants who work to make this effective for you. Significantly, we do not charge for this service. We encourage clients who can afford to make contributions that allow us to pursue further projects. However, we do not charge any direct cost. So why are we doing this? What do we get out of it? As researchers, we are rewarded for pursuing and publishing interesting projects that improve society. Many of the most interesting projects are only possible by partnering with governments and nonprofits. The ability to collaborate on these projects and write up the results is a significant boon to our research goals. We also frequently have our students work with us on these projects. These partnerships provide our students with a unique research internship where they are able to use the skills they learn in the classroom while providing meaningful service. The other videos in this series are designed to help facilitate these partnerships. The videos are all short like this one and walk you through the steps of preparing a one-page memo that provides us with the information we need so that we can complete a successful project together. I hope that you'll find the 20 minutes you'll need to watch these videos and to start the process of working together with us.